So now students, we are going to discuss the next part whereby we will discuss the French Revolution's causes and earlier I told you the role of philosophers in the previous video. Now I am going to tell about Louis XVI and his problem to rule France, because this was another reason for the revolution. So the different reasons or the causes of revolution we are discussing. So please try to understand these points very clearly. The earlier video was also important and this video is also very important. Let's see this cause, which is the one of the ultimate cause of French Revolution. Now, when Louis XVI came to power, I told you that France was in debt and all that we have discussed. So, Louis XVI had no money, or the treasury was empty. Thus, Louis XVI had to increase the tax, because the tax will increase his treasury. So, Louis XVI had to increase the tax when he ascended the throne. Now, in France, the old regime, the system, the feudal system was called old regime. The monarchs do not have the power to impose tax. In France, the monarch did not have the power to impose taxes according to his will alone. This is one of the system followed in France. Though thus Louis XVI cannot impose tax alone. Then what he had to do? He had to call a meeting. So he had to call a meeting of the Estate General. Now let me tell you, Estate General, who are actually these Estate General. Estate General consisted of the representative of the three estates. I told you French society was divided into three estates: clergy, nobility, and the rest of the French society, the public, the common man. So there were three estates: first estate, second estate, and third estate. All these three estates will send their representatives, and they all together called Estate General. So now you can understand what is the meaning of Estate General. It is very important to understand. So whatever I have explained, write it in the notes. What is Estate General? So now again come back to the point that the monarch had to call a meeting of these estate generals, which would pass. After the meeting, the estate general will pass a proposal for a new tax. This was the system of France. The Estates General was actually a political body. Now you can get the answer here also. The Estate General was a political body to which the three estates send their representatives. What I told you just now, you have to write this point. However, the monarch alone could decide when to call a meeting of this body. It is the wish of the monarch to call the meeting of Estate General, but he had to take the advice of the Estate General while imposing any tax. Thus, this time also, the king felt to call upon a meeting of the Estate General. And let me tell you, the last meeting had taken place in 1614 on 5th May 1789. Louis XVI called together an assembly of the Estate General to pass proposals for new taxes. A resplendent hall in Versailles was prepared to host the delegates. So the meeting was called in the hall of Versailles. Now what happened during the meeting when the monarch had the meeting in Versailles with the Estate General? What happened there? The incident is very important. Let's understand this incident. The first and second estates sent 300 representatives each. So they were seated They were given seats, they were seated in rows and they faced each other on two sides. While the third estate, they sent 600 members. Let me tell you, they are more than the first and second estate. But this third estate representatives of 600 members cannot sit. They had to stand at the back because they were from the third estate and the lower estate. The third estate was represented by its more prosperous and educated members. So let me tell you, the third estate brought those representatives, 600 members, who were prosperous and educated. They were not peasants or poor farmers. They were from a prosperous background, but they didn't belong to first or second estate. They were the middle class, you can say. They were prosperous and educated members. Peasants, artisans, and women were not allowed to enter in the assembly. They were denied entry to the assembly. However, their grievances mean complaint, their grievances and demands, the demands of the peasants, farmers, women, artisans, they were listed. They had given this list of complaints in some 40,000 letters to those 600 representatives brought with them. The 600 representatives of the third estate, they brought 40,000 such letters of complaint from the general public of France along with them when they met in the assembly. So next module we will be showing very soon, whereby I will explain the next part. So make notes of these points, these are very important. So that's all for today and we will be meeting very soon.